Yo guys, what is up? It's Chandler Traders and good morning. It is literally Tuesday, March 24th. I'm here with Balto. Balto, say what's up, my dog.
What is? Oh,
Today we're absolutely gonna flush our fundeds. I'm just kidding. This is
yeah.
a little show I like to call Flush Your Funded. I'm gonna full port one direction and he's gonna full port the other direction, and we're gonna.
See, what's gonna happen is Chandler's gonna instantly go down 2K, lose the funded. I'm gonna get up 2K, get greedy with the funded, go all the way back to 0. But since it's an Apex intraday trail, we're gonna just both end up losing that shit on route.
See, the only thing that sucks is mine's not the intraday trailing one. I could not buy that one. I went with the
Yeah, the idea.
yeah, because that shit. Even though yesterday I didn't know, I would have banged on my trade. Let me show you guys this real quick. So yesterday I
Bro,
literally would have.
the Apex intraday, I didn't even realize it. Even once you get the funded on that, the funded is intraday. It's not just the even.
Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, it's absolutely buns because I have let me see, I have an Apex that's pulled up right here. Yeah, I had an Apex that was up like it was up like 200, right? And then I had a trade that I got up like 100 on and then broke even on the trade, and it essentially counted as negative $100 MLL, you know?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, which is
I'm gonna lock in. So we're already inversing back to the upside. This could be one of those like insta trades, but I really want to see that London low get swept that we just created. But if we inverse to the upside here, I'm gonna go to the 15-minute chart.
I think
Holding this.
I think I'm gonna go on the
SMT.
I'm gonna go on the 15-second chart and zoom in to the point where I can only see 5 candles.
Dude, low key, I should be entering right now, but I'm just gonna not because market is open. We inversed right off open, and we got this high time frame SMT. Oh my god, this is such a nice buying model right now. Holy shit! Oh my god, I'm not even logged into my shit. I was trying to. Oh, that's fucked. Wait, what? Current connection warning. Trading with his broker on multiple tabs. Wait, what? Do I got multiple tabs open? Oh, I do.
Probably.
Holy shit. Alright, we're back. Damn, I was gonna enter that shit too, and I couldn't.
Look, you don't even look prime.
Yeah, but we got this inversion off market open, all this LR above London's Hessian, and we just inverse right off open. That's just like key shit right there. I could have rode that volatility all the way up. Damn it. The only thing I can see is maybe we'll tap into this 5-minute, and which is also a 15-minute, and maybe we'll come back down from here. But there's a lot of LR above. I don't really want to see price come back down. Bullish SMT. Inverse is 5-minute. Open up a new 5-minute. Wait for a new 5-minute condition at this point.
Beautiful fucking idea. 5-minute right here.
Yeah, we're just tapping into a 5-minute, which is also a 15-minute bearish gap. I really want longs this morning, so we'll see what happens here.
Let's see what is presented.
We'll see if we come back down for this London low now, take out sell side liquidity, and then rally back up. Stomp those people out who went long off market open, not paying attention to that 15-minute above. Because right now we have an SMT out of this 15-minute. If you look at ES hasn't came up here and tapped into that 15-minute, which is a bearish.
Oh, really?
Yeah, which is a bearish SMT out of that 15-minute gap.
WI on that, because we also have the bullish SMT with NASDAQ not sweeping the London low, but ES getting it. But then ES is now gonna, or NASDAQ's gonna hit that 15-minute gap. You're saying? Let me look through. Let me get my charting glasses on. Yeah.
We could just rip off this though too and end up inversing the whole 5-minute going up for that LR. But I would like to see a new 5-minute open. If I'm going to take longs now, I'd either want to see a new 5-minute open or us come down for that London low that we're doing right now. Hopefully sweep it on NASDAQ. Hopefully that's what it does right now. And then it could also end up respecting equilibrium with this range right here, and then we could rally back up. So we just hit equilibrium right now. We'll see what
chart are we talking about?
NQ. I'm looking at NQ. So if NQ doesn't...
No, I'm sorry. Time frame.
Oh, I'm just looking at the 1 minute. I'm just looking at equilibrium.
I see. Just curious how you were looking at that.
I'm just taking the most recent, which would be like New York Session Open, the opening low, and then just the top of that
Yeah,
high
yeah.
that we just created, equilibrium.
Right. No, I get that. I was just wondering if you were talking about that like 4 or 5 minute equilibrium, or if we were going like crazy, talking about like the downswing from like London Open to New York Open, and we're trying to equal. You know what I mean? There's
100%. We'll see.
Could have been a different way to look at that.
We got a 2 minute, also at equilibrium, so we're probably gonna tap into that 2 minute and rip back up, or not even tap that 2 minute and keep ripping.
I mean, we're only 4 minutes into this 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm really curious how that's gonna look, because the 15-minute gap is smaller than the 5-minute gap. Yeah, sizably. Okay, so yeah, really we ought to be looking at.
Right now that I know that we just tapped into equilibrium and we're ripping it back up, I'm right back on the 5 minute again. What am I looking for?
Yeah, on 5 minute gap.
NQ SMT, we're still holding it. I just want to see if we hold this SMT or break it on the 5 minute now. We're also opening up a 5 minute gap, so I can look for longs out of this 5 minute gap if it stays open. Premium long entry, bullish SMT with, there we go. We're coming back down pretty hard. We'll see what NQ wants to do. Probably sweep that London.
Nearly wicking into that 5 minute gap. Wicked into the 15-minute gap. Bearish gaps, of course. Just want to clarify. As at the same time, ES is not touching that gap on a 5 or a 15-minute.
Yeah.
So, I mean, very clear bearish SMT right there.
Yeah, that's just when you just stay out of the market. Now, what also, this is like a bad price action sort of thing, is if you have a bearish SMT and a bullish SMT, expect bad price action until one of those lows that caused the SMT gets broken, or the high.
Exactly. And now, let's just imagine that already what were we talking about pre-market that would be a beautiful setup is a true sweep of those London lows. So let's get NASDAQ to sweep those London lows now. Or Asia lows, I think it was. I'm sorry. But get NASDAQ to those lows. Break the S&P on that.
Or even more fire, if we come down, sweep that low, getting an SMT with London low, not even sweeping Asia, still with the NASDAQ, and then ripping back up. Right now, I just have to watch this, because right now, on the 15 minute, we're looking really bearish. I really want to see how, because I'm not taking shorts until we open up a new 5 minute condition for shorts. And I'm not taking, hold up. Setting up so nice on the fucking 2 minute though.
Yeah, I mean it almost.
I mean at this point with this big candle, I wouldn't even look for shorts because we're probably gonna go all the way down for that London low. But you could target. You could be like, fuck it, for my one trade a day, it would be more probable just to target London low, and then go for Asia for full TP. 1-to-1. That's how you got to look at it, and then you're like, is it worth going for that or waiting for a long opportunity? Well, you can see on ES that we are still respecting equilibrium. So, like, I wouldn't even want to take shorts until ES also gives me confirmation. It has not inversed that 3 minute, even though NQ did inverse that 2 minute. It's looking great for a sell opportunity right now. ES does not look good for a sell opportunity. It has not inversed, still respecting that 2 minute gap. Those are just small things that could fuck you out of your trade that matter.
Wait a second, did it not just hit London lows?
No, not yet. Because we're about to hit London lows right now, because you gotta think we opened up at 9:30. Anything prior to 9:30 is all pre-market. So that low right there that we're about to take out on NQ is a pre-market London low, a nice inversion. If we can just dump right now and take that low out, even sweeping Asia low, I don't even mind that. Then ripping back up, we'd still hold that bullish SMT, because I don't know if hold on, let me look at the 1 minute real quick. What are we doing? Okay, there's nothing to inversion out of there. Yeah, we're just waiting for that low to be swept, seeing if we're going to open up a gap to inverse back up to the upside, which would make another bullish SMT with London low. And honestly, NQ can grab that Asia low if it wants to. That would be pretty nice to see happen, just because if it takes out Asia low and London low, and ES still hasn't taken out that London low. What was I gonna say? A bullish SMT off that would be nice too. So we'll see what we do here. Hopefully we can dump. probably sit on here till like 10 a.m. this morning because we do got news at 9:45, so we do got to be pretty cautious about that. All right, here's that dump I wanted to see. Let's see if we can displace and open up a fair value gap to inverse after sweeping that London low.
Flash manufacturing PMI at 9:45.
That's what we do here. We're displacing pretty nice. I want to see us open up a fair value gap and take out that London low. Open up a fair value gap, inverse that bitch back to the upside. I'll get in. I'm gonna be super discretion with my break even just because of news in 5 minutes. So if we fucking come back up and for some reason, yeah, this is really nice right now. Okay, so now we have this. Now we have this bullish SMT I wanted to see. We got this bullish SMT. We're gonna come down for that Asia low. We'll see.
Oh no, Nasdaq's hitting that Asia low. Nasdaq's hitting that Asia low right now. ES has already hit the Asia low and is probably going to reload.
A really nice displacement after we sweep this low. Okay, we haven't swept Asia low. Nope. It's coming back up.
No. Next candle. Don't you worry.
Hopefully it does. It'd be nice if it does, because if it doesn't, I'm still cool with that. We still got this bullish SMT with London low, and inversion back to the upside is all I need to see happen. There we go. We swept it. Now we need a clean inversion back up. Unless market just wants to dump like a retard, but I don't see that happening. Let me see. Yeah, this is where
I don't know. I can see this going further on a 1 hour, to be honest.
We'll just wait for a new 5 minute if it does.
Yeah, we need to wait for an opening either direction.
Damn, I do not like that 1 minute close. That's pretty iff, but we'll just see. We'll see what happens here.
Yeah, you need a huge.
We just swept 2 huge draws of liquidity. We took London low, and then we still got this SMT. Let's see if we break it on ES. If we don't break it, and we start inversing.
ES does not reload. ES doesn't take that new, like the second, it doesn't reload itself as well as if Nasdaq inverses a 1 minute, like super solid right here. Let me see.
Low key would have to wait for that
Even
whole.
Even if you go to like a 30-second chart, you can get a decent inverse out of that. But like I said, yeah, I think I can see this just pushing lower on a 1 hour chart. I mean, look at the 1 hour chart. Like, this doesn't look insane at all to say this just goes a little lower, you know?
Well, we still got 18 minutes in this hourly. We can still pull all the way up. And plus, honestly, bro, I really did like this London draw. We'll just have to wait and see. News about to come out in 5 minutes. We could still inverse all the way back up right here on the 2 minute. Right now, I'm just watching this 2 minute. If this 2 minute gets inversed hard, like, there's no reason not to enter and try to take out London high. There's so much LR above. We'll just have to wait and see what market wants to do. If we are going to continue down lower, I'd want to see a new 5 minute open up. But it looks like we're getting this inversion now.
Yeah,
I'm just watching this 2 minute. Watching this 2 minute.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens, baby.
I'm on a 30-second actually, just trying to get the first idea of it, because there is a little bit of a 30-second gap that isn't just a hard entry for me, but it's, you know, I will get this 30-second gap before you get your 2 minute gap, so just kind of.
Yeah, is there a 30-minute inverse down there at the bottom of that? Maybe it looks like it for sure.
This candle right now is 30-second inverse, not super strong, but like, I mean, fuck. You look at a 30-second. I don't like it enough to really just say like, oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I usually don't enter off 30 seconds. I just like to look at it as like more of a confirmation.
No, I don't either, but
last night I did just because I was going crazy.
But yeah, I typically don't, but like I just like to watch it. Like if there's like a 1 minute gap that looks like it's gonna be harder to inverse, I like to watch the 30-second until we get to the 1 minute. And once I see the 30-second, it's almost like the 30. If like it just rejects off the 30-second gap, like I can expect it not to inverse the 1 minute.
100%.
It's just kind of like a go up the food chain type of idea.
All right, so we literally just did not. So now I'm looking at, all right, we're probably gonna end up opening up this new 5 minute, and then possibly see what happens there. It looks like price wants to go lower. We absolutely just displays pretty hard under that Asia low.
By the time that this 5 minute candle fills, so we'll have a 5 minute gap.
Yeah.
Is the the second news is dropping, so that makes it like.
Okay, sweet. Yeah, that's pretty nice to know.
Well, that's questionable. Do you want to like? I don't know. I don't know how
These
to fully
relatively
approach.
equal highs above. I like longs. Longs still look great to me. I'm still keeping my long bias, waiting for this inversion. I'll enter right after news if I have to. Like, it looks pretty solid, bro. So I'll just have to wait and see what market wants to do.
ES did take that new low, so like we really don't have a bullish SMT right now.
We do not. Okay, you're right. We're holding more of a bearish SMT. We'll just wait for this new 5-minute to open and see if we're gonna come back up, retrace into that 5-minute, and get a nice inversion lower. That's the only way. Like, but we don't have really any draws to target on the downside. We have all this LR above. Like, let's say we do target shorts. Like, the only thing to target is that low way down there, and I would want to see a nice displacement to even want to think about that. We'll see what happens here. All right, now let me take.
News.
I'm taking off all my drawings. I'm just gonna mark out this 5-minute right now, because that is my bread and butter. This new 5-minute we opened up.
This is a news candle right here.
All right.
Oh, bro, this is crazy red folder.
All right. I really like longs. Like,
Yeah.
if you go to the 3-minute right now, like all we have to do is inverse this 3-minute. It just looks so nice.
Inverse. You can also just really still take that on a 2 and a 1 is like the same gap.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for this 2-minute inverse if we inverse it. If we don't, then I just really like this LR above, bro. I'll wait for this next 2-minute candle. I'll wait for one more 2-minute candle. If this shit doesn't play out, alright, we'll see what happens here. Let me go back to the 15-minute chart. Let me just look at everything. What do I really want to do? This new 15-minute just looks god awful for longs. But like, at the same time, all this LR looks so nice. Alright, let's see what we do here. Alright. In this 5-minute.
Yeah.
We got this 945 low here.
ES has not tapped into the 5-minute gap where NASDAQ is in the 5-minute gap.
I don't think ES has a 5-minute gap, low key.
I'm literally on a 1-minute chart charting out a 5-minute gap.
I was on a 1-minute chart targeting on a 5-minute gap. Oh, I see what you mean.
That was insane. No, that was... Yeah, that was retarded. I'm not gonna lie.
2-minute inversion here. If we get this 2-minute inversion, is longs a good idea? Or would waiting for... Inversion... Weak delivery from news... 3-minute inversion. I think I'm looking at the 3-minute inversion to be my bread and butter.
When is that gonna close? It closes in 25 seconds at 3-minute. But you're not looking like you're gonna get it.
If I go to the 1-minute, I'm not getting an inversion back down to the... Actually, I mean, just a baby one, which is still everything. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna mark out this new 1-minute... Oh, that just got destroyed. Never mind.
Yep, watch it happen.
And maybe we'll come down for that news low now. I don't know what the fuck price is doing. Still watching this 5-minute, because if this 5-minute inversion happens... I don't know, honestly. Yeah, I just want to wait and see. Might be one of those days where I just don't take shit, because longs just look too nice to take shorts. We got all this LR from London, bro. Just something small. Let me see if there's an hourly up there. Unfilled hourly. No unfilled hourly. Any unfilled 30 minutes up there? Nope. That 30-minute got filled. Made us push lower. 15-minute. Yeah, it's looking like a sell model. More and more.
Yeah, I mean, the 1 hour...
Look, we got like no inversion back down though, so this sell model here is kind of stupid, bro. Kind of.
15-minute taps into a bearish gap, pushes down. 5 minutes, the same fucking play. That's market open. Yeah, market open came up at a gap. Instantly respected it. Bearish gaps.
Oh, we did get an inversion.
On what chart?
We got an inversion on the NQ on the 1 minute. I entered right after I seen that shit. Once we hit that low rate, which I'll cry if we don't. Once we take out that new major low, I'm going break even instantly. I'm just going for a 1-to-1 here. Out of this 5 minute. Once we take out that low rate down there, I'm going break even.
Where is the 1 minute inversion? Are you talking about the
on NQ rate? If you see it, it's right under there. It's that second one. I'll share my screen.
I want to see what exactly you're pointing to, because we're talking about that gap that already basically got.
Here, I'll show you.
I mean, we're getting bearish.
Hold up. Here, I'm sharing my
Because
screen
the
now.
gap we were talking about didn't.
Right here.
Hold on.
We just swept news low, which is sketchy, but I'm hoping we can fucking come down lower.
Yeah, what gap are you talking about?
Oh shit, we could inverse back up here. We did open up that gap. I'm hoping we go lower right here. This 1 minute gap right here. I'm sharing my screen now.
Was the thing just so small that I can't even? Holy shit! Okay, it's that gap's literally so small that I had to scroll my candles tall.
I didn't see it till afterwards. I'm going. Let me look at ES real quick. Did we take out that low? No, we didn't yet. All right, I'm waiting for this low. Watch ES for me if you can, bro. Just wait for that low to get taken out. The minute we just take out that low right there, let me know so I can break even this bitch. Did we take it?
On the ES then. Nope, I will let you know.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, no, you're good.
All right, hopefully here, this candle. No. I'm going to go break even anyway, just because we took out that news low. I know I sound like a bitch, but...
No, I understand it.
We took out that news low. It's a pretty high draw. I really don't want to be in shorts anymore, especially with a gap above to inverse back to the upside. Just don't want to be in that shit no more. Took out news low. I'm break even. Probably gonna break me even, but I'm done after that shit. That shit. Oh, almost broke me even, bro. Flush, 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 flush. You're right there, ES.
Blow the candles out.
There we go. Keep going down. Push, pussy. Push, flush, flush. Flush. Come on, dude.
You gotta start doing push-ups so the chart knows you're
Oh
motivated.
wait, it took it off. It took it off. It took it out on NQ. All right.
Well, it has not ES, by the way. ES just made equal lows with the low, but it still could just
Of course, it fucking
go right back.
Who cares? I'm on my break even. 1 trade a day. This is it. After this, bro, I gotta get off instantly because if I keep checking out the charts on New York session, bro, it's not gonna.
Yeah, understandable. Yeah, I mean, ES did just make literally the definition of equal lows, the most equal lows you've ever seen.
Come on, go back down. Go back down.
And you still here's the thing, you still have that 1 minute gap. Do you want to move your stop loss to the point where that 1 minute gap can get respected?
No, because that 1 minute gap could get inversed. I don't want to be in it. All right, I'm out. So now.
Understandable.
So. Yeah, it's pretty much that. Damn. This 1 minute gap does look like it's gonna get inversed.
Let's see.
Which would be a better long entry, honestly. I might take longs off this and call it my last trade of the day. This 2 minute inverses. This is looking really good. I wanted longs anyway. I just seen shorts as a decent opportunity out of premium.
No, I don't think it was a bad entry at all on your part.
This might be my last trade. Well, I mean, my actual strategy, not strategy, my rules are 2 trades a day if my first is break even. So if we get this 2 minute inversion here, I'm definitely going to be thinking about taking this trade.
Right.
We'll see. We're getting it on
We're back.
ES.
We're back into data, the news candle, while testing this 1 minute fair value.
And we took out news low, which is pretty fucking. We'll see what we
took out news low. We have a 1 minute gap, 1 minute bearish, 2 minute bearish.
Yeah, if we come back down hard as fuck for those lows, then I'm done. I'll just see what we do. Damn, it didn't even inverse on the 2 minute. All right, bro, I gotta call it before I get into some stupid ass Damn, that's annoying.
We opened up a 1 minute bullish.
That's annoying as fuck. So we took out news low. We took out. What are we in
This
right
might
now?
just be
Is this a new
months.
5 minute? No. Look at the 5 minute. 5 minute just looks so bearish, bro. Like, I don't know.
Seriously.
We got the high up there, like.
Oh wow,
we're
bro.
gonna inverse
Yeah,
back
fun is
down
insane.
here. Let me see what we got. Do we got any bullish, bearish SMTs? Of course, bro. We're gonna respect that gap, bro. And then we got an inversion back down. I'm not taking this one though.
That 5 minute gap gets respected so well, and then pushes down to make equal lows on ES. Oh wait, do we even? No, we low-key didn't even hit that 5 minute gap on ES. Nasdaq hits the 5 minute gap to push price down to ES equal lows.
I'm kind of still pissed about fucking how I lost money that trade. I had my stop loss into profit. I still lost like 20 bucks.
You got Jew filled?
No, I didn't get you filled on that trade.
I mean, I think we just like pretty much just inversed that bullish 1 minute gap, and then are instantly going right back up.
Yeah, but we need to inverse this 2 minute.
Yeah. Well, no, I'm saying there was a tiny.
Oh.
There was a tiny bullish gap that opened.
Oh,
It just got a small close below. Then now.
Longs do look nice, bro. I might have to take them. We'll see how this next 2 minute close. This is my last time waiting for this shit. I don't know if I want to take them, bro. Should I just not? Let me think about it. Let me really think about it. Let me look at the 15 minute chart. Let's look at the bigger picture here.
Oh.
This could be a move back up, bro. Just this 2 minute inverse. We can get that. Fuck it, dude. I'll take one last fucking trade.
So if we get a clean 2 minute inverse, then you're long.
If it's clean,
Let's just keep that in mind.
Yes, and then that high that tapped into that 5 minute right above is my break even, and then I'll just try to drag this bitch out. Just have to see what happens. We gotta make sure both indexes are inversing. ES is about to inverse the 2 minute. Pretty nice, pretty nice.
Well, look at that, dadgummit. And that's also going to fill that 1 minute if we get a strong close right here, which I think is so fucking what you want. Because we can inverse the 2 minute, but not inverse the 1 minute. Just keep that in mind. Now the ES, oh yeah, the ES is saying fuck you to shorts. Nasdaq saying fuck you to shorts. We just need a strong close in 25 seconds. Yeah, if we get this ridiculous wick back down, I don't know how much I love it. Yeah, holy shit, this is insane, I'm not gonna lie.
That's what we did. Retested that 5
I mean,
minute. We still didn't take out anything significant though. I don't know. It's just looking like dead meat right now. We did move a lot. We did move a lot. We moved 200 points. We moved fucking 200 points, 300 points down Asia session, and then 250 points back up Asia session. So that's another 500 point move. And then London open and moved another fucking, just seems kind of lame.
Yeah, I'm not in a trade at the moment.
Yeah, I am.
There's just so many.
Just kidding.
You said you're in a trade?
No.
Oh. I was gonna say. You said if you got that clean inverse, that was a.
Nah, dude, I'm definitely not.
Inverse.
I'm about to call it, actually, just so I can get the fuck off this hell and not suck myself into a hole. Obviously, I'm a good trader. There'll be better opportunities to catch better trades and shit like this. Oh, even though, why is this closing good now, bro? What the fuck is going on? What is going on with PA, bro? This shit is actually crazy. They want me to trade so bad.
But do they? Are they trying to trap you? You know, someone's over there at Top Step, NASDAQ headquarters. They're like, Chandler's on the chart, giving them inversion.
Yeah, right.
Inverse the inverse. Inverse the inverse inverse.
Let's see, if I took this one, let's say I took this trade, one break even here. Let's see what my stop loss would be. My stop loss, I want to pay here. TP. This is a good trade. This would pass my account. But we're not getting that inverse. It's fucking annoying. Yeah, this would be the trade to pass this out for real. Almost want to take it. Thinking about that.
Gotta get a lot stronger of a 2-minute close, but the thing is, you're still in the middle of that 5 minute.
These 2 minutes will not close good. It's kind of getting annoying.
I mean, you have a 5. I mean,
it's not looking good, bro. Oh, now it's pushing. Okay. Fuck, dude. This is looking so good, bro. I think I'm gonna take this fucking trade after this. Like just
so what
higher
if we
time
just do
frame.
a 5 minute
Like, bro,
inverse?
this looks retarded.
The problem is if you wait on that 5 minute inverse.
I know that's the thing, bro.
Yeah, your risk reward. I mean, you can target that 5 minute gap that ES didn't touch. But the thing is, like, if you're waiting for this 5 minute candle to close, like, what the fuck are you?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about doing. I'm thinking about just taking this. Oh, there we go. There we go. I have an idea. We're opening up a new 5 minute. We'll wait for this new 5 minute open. We're opening up a 5 minute bullish gap. We'll wait for a retracing it there, and that'll be our last trade of the day. If we do not open up this bullish 5 minute, then we get the fuck off. But if we inverse, retrace into this 5 minute gap, inverse back up to the upside, premium long entry, this might be it.
Yeah, if we get a decent close, yeah, like you're saying, we inverse the 5 minute bearish gap, open a 5 minute bullish, retrace 5 minute bullish, let our fucking nuts hang.
Let our nuts hang. That's gonna be. This is equilibrium with this close too, so I'm pretty excited about this one.
So I'm gonna throw a little Fibonacci from that last gap real quick. Oh yeah, bro. We're in it like.
That's crazy. I can see equilibrium and shit without even using the fib. It's just like, I don't know, just like fucking eyes, bro. My eyes are.
Oh yeah, look, we get that little fib.
And look at the hour close. Look at the hourly that just closed. The 10 a.m. hourly that just closed, bro. It didn't close under that wick, which is really fucking nice. All right, we reswept. So we got a resweep of that high inside of that 5 minute. Let's see what we do here.
We are closing that 5 minute gap as we speak.
I know. If we close this 5 minute gap, just like what I said from the start, we just call it.
The gap is still live.
Fuck, bro.
The gap is still live. I repeat, we have a 7-point gap.
That's it. That's all we need.
I'm sorry.
That's all we need is a 7-point gap. We need
an 8-point gap.
We need this shit to hold, though. We need this shit to hold. This gap needs to fucking hold. Retrace into it. Beautiful inversion displacement out of it. If we don't get it, we don't trade it. Charts have me till 10:15. That's it. I'm calling it 10:15 no matter what. Setting up nice for a buy model right now. We swept news low. We swept Asia lows. We got all this London, all these London draws above. Market's finally starting to kick in some liquidity. I feel like something big's about to happen here. I really want to see this.
8-point gap.
I really want to see this NQ 5 minute. This 5 minute that's about to close in a minute and a half needs to close up there. Close up like right there. Close right there. I'll be happy. Don't start fucking ripping up and taking out all these draws.
I don't see anything that I have to see on a 1, 2, and 3.
I want to see this 5 minute. I'm just watching the 5 minute. Waiting for this 5 minute to close. I'm waiting to see if this 5 minute inverses with this, because I'll be really hyped if we close this 5 minute with that inverse. It's not doing it right now. It's edging the fuck out of it. I'm waiting for this 5 minute to inverse and then a retrace into that new 5 minute. Oh wait, yeah, bro. Longs look great right now. Fucking ES is cooking. Hopefully we can get a retracement though. ES is absolutely cooking up there.
Oh, what the- I mean, ES is forming that bullish gap as well.
Good. That's all we need. We need one of them to have it, one of them to retrace into it.
Yeah.
Yes.
ES does have the bullish gap. The thing is, it looks like ES is going to try to close higher than NASDAQ. The question is NASDAQ going to inverse that 5 minute?
I think it should, bro. There's no reason why the fuck it shouldn't. Especially with how ES is already up there.
Hmm.
Come on, close up there. 20 seconds. I like how it's not like kicking up though. Like ES is kicking up. I'm okay with ES kicking up as long as it doesn't take out that high up there. That high rate when that big wick candle happened. I need that 15 minute the highs that tapped into that 15 minute to hold. ES, we're gonna get the inverse, which is beautiful. Now I need the retracement to equilibrium. Come on, come back down. Don't rip up, you fucking son of a cunt.
I am setting my buy order in that 5. Wait. Oh yeah, that's fucking beautiful. Yeah, if we get this 5 minute gap tap, I'm in this bitch. There's no fucking doubt about it. Yeah, this is nothing to even fucking consider if I want to take it or not take it. If we're in this 5 minute gap, I am in a trade.
Sweet. I'm gonna wait for the inversion. Hopefully we displace down, open up a gap. Yep, displace. Come on, 1 minute candle. Displace slower. Create that fair value gap. There we go. A little harder. Little harder. Little harder. Little fucking harder, baby. Yes. Open up that gap. Oh, you son of a bitch. Open up that. There we go. Close. There we go. Keep that gap open. Tap into that 5 minute. No, don't go back up. Go back down, motherfucker. Where's ES at? We're in that 5 minute now on ES. We got a bullish SM. No, we don't. I'm capping. I'm moving too fast. Sorry, I didn't.
Oh,
Just wait. Just wait for it. You gotta wait.
Points off of getting me in. Oh yeah, I'm not moving it. I have.
That shit edged you. I know it did.
Not even that bad.
No way we're gonna get a 30-second inverse back up to those highs. Come on, man. How are you not gonna hit that 5 minute? You're right there. Go back down. Tap that 5 minute like a good little girl. Let's wait for this shit to happen.
We get a 30-second?
Doesn't matter. We didn't tap into that 5 minute. We got an imbalance underneath. It's gonna stomp us out. If we do it, we're gonna be in drawdown for no reason.
Oh, trust me. If we took a 30-second, I want that 5 minute gap tapped. The gap at the tap at then.
Needs to be tapped. Damn it! And it just turned into a whole bullish ass candle. No sense made at all.
Dude, I might have to get up and pace around the house for 5 minutes.
Do it, bro. I think if it takes out that high, I'm just gonna call it. It's about to right now. That's annoying.
Oh, the high of the last 5 minute candle that right there?
Yeah. We just took it out.
ES is in the 5 minute gap above. ES is in that 5 minute gap above.
15 minute.
Wait. Yeah, what the fuck? Dude, what do I have charted? Am I fucking retarded? Yeah, it's a 15 minute gap. Yeah.
Maybe we'll still retrace into this 5 minute now. Or maybe not. Let's see. At this point, with this bearish SMT, or we're just gonna have to wait for a new 5 minute. We could still wait for a new 5 minute condition to form, but still in premium. But just gotta be more cautious on. Maybe we'll come down to that 5 minute now.
15 minute gap right there. As well as
tap into that 15. We got a bearish SMT out of that 15 with ES.
15 minute here. Yeah, NASDAQ is nowhere near that 15 minute gap where ES is
annoying as fuck.
It already took center of the 15 minute gap.
Yeah, we're getting a nice rejection off of it. Probably gonna inverse back down to the downside. Might have to call this one of those trades I can get a break even shorts out of. Go break even once we hit that 5 minute. Take full TP at the low way down there. See what market wants to do. It's kind of dumb, but we got that inverse on the higher time frame, so maybe I'll sit out on those shorts. It doesn't seem probable to me anymore, so we'll just see what we do here. Probably just continue ripping, I'd assume.
Full size 1 minute bullish gap is open.
That's annoying, bro. Not annoying.
Both ends of that 1 minute.
I feel like we're gonna inverse back down.
It does get this closed here. Then you're targeting.
All those highs
Here.
still look nice, bro. I just want to see some fucking 5 minute open
Three.
up. There's a
Yeah,
5
it's just
minute.
like
There's a new 5 minute right below. We're about to open up. We can watch that. So we got one new 5 minute. Longs just looks so nice. That's the only reason why I haven't got off yet, bro. All this London liquidity needs swept. All these low draws up above looks so nice. Oh my god, plus with that, oh my god, look at the 5 minute, that unfilled 5 minute up there with all this LR above, bro. I'm crying right now. You see that?
Yeah.
We got all this LR in an unfilled 5 minute above, so. That's full TP if we can open up a fucking new 5 minute. Oh my god, dude. This is retarded. In folk insane, mate. In folk insane, mate. Alright, we're coming down to that 5 minute now. Let's see what happens here. I still want longs. I don't give a fuck about that bearish SMT out of that 15 minute. I still think the true objective is that fair value
There's
gap.
just nothing so fucking clean that I can't. Yeah, we're gonna close the idea of getting another 5 minute fair value gap.
Yeah, on ES.
Which that 5 minute is still there.
We'll see. I like it.
We go from here to here. We're above 0.79 area. Now let's say we take bottom to top fib. That 5 minute gap is like 0.6. For low key can still come down and smack that little bottom gap.
Yeah.
And not.
I would love to see something like that. Or
We can definitely come down to hit that bottom gap and it not become a short narrative. Well, I guess to get there, we have to inverse this 1 minute that's trying to inverse.
Yeah, NQ's looking good right now, so.
3. I mean, we're going to inverse a small 1 and 2 minute gap right here just to even get to that 5 minute gap.
Yeah.
The 5 minute bullish gap.
I can also see NQ, I'm at ES, closing with this 5 minute open, because we're about to open up a new 5 minute on ES, not NQ. And then I could look forward inversion. I can open up, I can wait for it. It's probably going to close it, but if it for some God forbid it leaves a 5 minute, you can enter off inversions. Oh, there we go. We just closed it. So let's just close that off. All right.
So are you still long at this bottom 5 minute gap?
Oh, yeah. If you get a nice inversion off that, yes, I'm in. I still want to see longs play out. My narrative.
Okay, so yeah, you want to see this 5 minute get respected and then inverse some of the bearish that it made to get there.
Yes, correct. So I would honestly enter off the first 1 minute inversion I get. So hopefully from here we start to go back up.
That's
the idea. If we go all the way down and take out that New York session low, all the way down there with those equal lows on ES, and I don't even want to trade it anymore. I was wrong. My bias was wrong. Price is coming out of that ES and going lower, taking out no low draws of liquidity for the day. We'll see what happens, man. We're just shitting through that 5 minute right now.
Might just run this 5 minutes pockets, bro.
I don't know.
Or it might just hold up perfectly.
This would be a bullish SMT out of that 5 minute if we can suck back up and inverse something. If we come back up here and inverse on the 1 minute right here, I'm in. Longs. That'd be an inversion out of that 5 minute gap. So we got a bullish, not inversion, sorry, we got a bullish gap. So all I'm waiting for now is an inversion. We have the bullish SMT with, sorry, I'm setting my stop loss and take profits. I want to see what it'll look like. But I might just enter for 5 micros because this shit is fatty. Yeah, we'll do that. Alright, there's that. Fucking full take profit. Bro, I could just pass my account today. I feel like we're just gonna rip. Alright, what about the inverse here? I don't know about you, but I'm taking this bitch.
I'm not in it at the moment.
Let's see if we get a nice inversion here. Nope. No inversion, of course. Still got a bullish SMT at the low.
I mean, the 30-second is inversed.
Yeah, but
The 1 minute, but still.
I want to wait.
We're going down into the 30-second gap here. Oh my god! I just fucking clicked market buy. Let me. Oh, I just made $2.
I'll just keep that bitch in there floating for real. Stop loss right under that bullish candle we just made on the 1 minute. Just let that bitch float. This bitch is looking good for longs anyway.
Yeah, I mean that's the whole fucking idea of. Let me see, 188. Is that? Yeah, 188.
Alright, I'm waiting for this inversion. Come on, get up there. What's ES doing? ES is still not inversing either. It's funny. Alright. Let's see if we get an inversion here.
Not even bad. This can dip down a little bit just to kind of get a little going and then come up. There's no problem with that right here.
Yeah, it looks like we're just going to continue lower, probably. If this shit closes under there, I'm just looking at this. I mean, I'm just on the, I'm on the 15 minute just looking at it right now, and I'm just like, I really do want to see price continue higher. ES, just an annoying.
I don't think you're in a bad situation yet.
I need to see price start doing something, bro.
Yeah, it might just be absolutely cooked.
Yeah, we're coming back down. Was there a new 5 minute we're expecting right now or something? No, there is no 5 minute, which is good. We can still look for a move back up, hopefully. Hopefully this 5 minute just doesn't inverse on ES. NQ, sorry. Alright, we're creating another 1 minute gap. We could inverse. If we close this and inverse that first 1 minute gap, probably get in that biatch.
Looking at here, bro, these candles are so fucking crazy. Yeah, you got a 1 minute bearish gap that's opened right there. Dude, I have so many fucking gaps marked out within 3 minutes of each other. Can't see shit.
I only have the 5 minute marked out, and then I guess I do got these two marked out as well, but let's see what we do.
I mean, this is gonna be a bearish. Whoa, let me not speak yet. I mean, oh no, I'm an idiot. That's not a fair value gap because that candle hasn't closed.
What time is it? 10:17, bro. This is retarded, bro. What was news? What did news come out as? Bullish or bearish? Bearish, bullish, two different ones. Funny. Still looking for this inversion, bro. It's now
bro, this chart
inversion. I'll wait for this 3 minute.
This
inversion.
chart is looking like I'm getting ready to take a 1 hour nap.
Alright, we're waiting for this 3 minute inverse. I think we're gonna get it. I could just wait for the 2 minute to inverse for you. That's what I'm gonna do. I'll wait for this 2 minute to inverse, and then I'll get back in this hoe.
2 minute and 3 minute are the same gap.
Yeah. I was like, what?
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
I mean, really, we just wicked into that 5-minute gap below and are respecting that 5-minute gap that we were talking about.
Yes,
I mean, this is like, on a short term, if I'm looking at the last 35 minutes on a 5-minute chart, like, we are in bullish structure if I'm looking at 7 candles.
This is retarded. It just is edging every gap, dude. This shit's gonna piss me off.
I mean, I guess it's also a 1 minute right there. Wait, is that the same gap? Yeah, the 1, 2, 3 minutes, the same gap. You can look at the 1 minute. You don't need to be on a 2 minute right now. You can be on the 1. It makes sense.
What you said? What? Sorry, I'm watching this bitch.
The 1, 2, and 3 minute gap are essentially the same gap. They are the same gap.
But you gotta think about it. That you gotta wait for like the actual complete close of the 2 minute. Just because if you wait for a 1 minute and then the 2 minute ends up not inversing. Does that make sense? Trust me,
sure.
I've had that happen so many times. I'm like, fuck.
Definitely makes sense. Well, then at that point, do you want to wait for the 3 minute as well? Or are you on the 2 minute?
That's what I'm doing now. I'm just waiting for the 3 minute at this point because this shit is fun.
That's some sauce right there. I'm not gonna lie. I bet that's a mistake that happens a lot.
A lot. That's why people say inversions don't work. It's because they're looking at them wrong. There we go. Get that 3 minute inversion out of that 5 minute, you fucking cock. God damn, we got 30 seconds. Come on, baby. Fucking give me some momentum. I'm telling you, if this candle does not inverse, I know I said like 5 times, but I really am off this time. Like, I'm just gonna leave the call, head to the gym, because if I don't, then I'm gonna be like, fuck,
I would not blame you one bit.
We got 16 seconds to see if I'm getting off. I'm gonna turn off the chart. I gotta upload my YouTube video, make the title, 1 break-even trade, longest trading day ever. Oh my god, see how, like, do you see how shit is just not playing out today? Like, did you see that 3 minute close? Like, alright.
The ES looks even worse.
Alright, big dog, we got a bearish SMT anyway. We got a bullish SMT underneath, which means bad price action, so.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I would not blame you to call it whatsoever.
It just looks so good, bro. We got all these low draws London. Mark my words that shit gets ran through today. Dude, I swear to God, dude. I really am about to take this bitch. In the 2 minute on fucking NQ, bro. I'm fiending for that shit. This shit looks so good not to take, bro. Out of that 5 minute. I'm not even gonna be. I'll go light risk, bro. Light fucking risk. I'll go into 5 micros.
I mean, if you're seeing something, take it small.
If this 2 minute inverse is right here, I'm in, bro. All right, we are inversing finally. Close up, I don't there, bro. No way! It didn't do it. It didn't do it, bro.
Dude, holy shit, bro.
The edge is real. It's edging everything just to end up closing higher. I guarantee it's just gonna rally up to where it would be a bad entry at this point. No way, it just did that shit, bro. Let's look at the 5 minute, bro. Look at this 5 minute gap, dude. What do you really want to do, market? You're either gonna shit down and take out all this LR that we created. Yeah, shorts look. Longs just look terrible now. Look at this, shitting all the way back down. Well, the real narrative was not longs. Yeah. I still believe, mark my words, by the end of New York's session, we're gonna be all the way back up, took out all this London session LR. Don't know how we're gonna get there, but I do believe it'll happen. Sorry, I just started geeking right there. I cannot believe that shit happened.
No, completely fine. Love hearing the ideas.
Let's see what fucking.
I mean, we're huge respecting that fucking 1, 2, 3 gap. We're back into my chart.
An inversion here.
Yeah, I mean the wicks are back into that 5 minute gap. Oh, we're working out of that dude.
I know it is mad annoying, bro. Alright, so the last gap, dude, I keep saying it on every single fucking gap, bro. But I feel like...
Dude, I think it's okay. As long as you're not, impulsively just, ripping orders back and forth, yeah. I think it's completely fine to get some reps in on the chart and, the mental ideas and see what's getting executed and what's not on the mental ideas. Just don't let this turn into... Oh, I'm long. Oh, I'm short. In entering trades. Oh, I'm short. I'm long. Oh, I'm short. No, I was wrong. Reverse position. If you're not doing that, I think you're completely fine to get the...
Hopefully we'll get the
Mental
1
game.
minute inversion here, dude. Because if this shit does not happen right fucking here, on everything, on God, I'm calling it, dude. It's just we're getting more down at premium now. I'm like, bro, long still looks so fucking juicy, bro.
You want the 1 minute inversion
I
to
just
the
want this
upside right
1
here?
minute
And this
inversion
gap
on
to cut
NASDAQ, bro. Holy shit. And it will not inverse nothing. Come on. Displays
No 1
inversion.
minute gap on the ES.
That's fine. I just need to see it on the other index.
Yeah, I'm just saying
Only
what
when,
I'm seeing.
yeah, I only look at both if they both have them open. Oh, come on. Inverse this bitch. I gotta post this YouTube video, so it's gonna be hella long, so I'm just trying to fucking look at this shit, bro. It just touches every gap and like sits in every 1 minute gap forever. Well, we might just come down for those New York session lows we created, which makes no sense. We already swept news low. It makes no sense why price wants to go lower right now. Absolutely zero. It will not inverse absolute shit. It's just like insane. It's kind of pissing me off in a way, but I don't know what to do. Let's just look at the higher time frame, see where I messed up on taking shorts at. There was that one spot, but I didn't really see an inversion happen right there. It tapped into this 5 minute. That's the one I took. That's the one I entered and broke even on. I don't know. I guess there's just, we're just gonna keep dumping. Yeah, we got so much LR now created, and then we got his equal lows on ES. It's just like, why? Because high time frame looks bearish anyway. Why even try to come up with this long narrative when obviously price is just not wanting longs right now at all? It was a short. It was a short. And now we're about to inverse this 5 minute gap on NQ, which means my bias was wrong all morning. I'll probably just come down SMT, rip back up, because it looks like there's no way ES is going to go all the way down for that London low. I mean, New York session low. I don't know. All right, brother. I can't keep telling myself something and not do it, so I'm about to call it, Balto. Thank you for sitting here with this shitty ass market today.
Oh, dude, it's good.
And if you guys enjoyed sitting through all that chaos, make sure you guys hit the follow button, hit the like button. If you guys want to work with me one-on-one, you can go to my Instagram or in the link down in the description. Click on it. There's my link tree. You can sign up for an hour-long call. We'll go through my strategy. We'll get you guys knowing what to do in the markets, find your guys' edge, and get better at executing. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace out.